You join us in the charming hamlet of Old Milverton, surrounded by pleasant open countryside, conveniently sited just 2.5 miles away from Leamington Spa's town centre with all its amenities and the historic town of Warwick.
This delightful hamlet holds many fine period properties, all grouped alongside St James's Church. We've got excellent transport connections with the motorway network and Leamington Spa train station, and just 600 metres you've got the great Saxon Mill pub.
We are about to show you Churchside Barn, which is pleasantly situated close to the church in just over half an acre plot. It is a unique and superbly appointed barn conversion with immense charm and character. Originally the old hay barn, cowsheds for the main farmhouse, this property was converted in the early 1960s. I'm Nicky Moore.
And I'm James Pratt, and welcome to Churchside Barn. The property provides substantial 6+ bedroom accommodation with its high quality finish throughout and the perfect blend of open plan living with cosy, intimate spaces. Self-contained annexe providing up to 3 separate units, perfect for multi-generation living or separate income. Overall, the property offers over 5,000 square foot of living accommodation.
You join us in the exceptional private garden, which has been beautifully landscaped with central pond and water feature. It contains a natural spring, with the pond being part of an outstanding Victorian drainage system for the hamlet.
hope you've enjoyed the tour of this amazing property. If you'd like more information or arrange a viewing, please contact us on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.